Meaning of Fritz Lang.
Fritz Lang.
Fritz Lang.
Fritz Lang.
Fritz Lang. Fritz Lang was a renowned Austrian-German filmmaker who was widely regarded as one of the pioneers of German expressionist cinema. He became famous for directing a number of groundbreaking films, including the science fiction classic Metropolis, the crime drama M, and the film noir The Big Heat. Lang's films are known for their stunning visual style, intricate plot structures, and dark, brooding themes. He was a major influence on the development of cinema in the 20th century, and his impact can still be felt in contemporary film.